This was my compiler experiment number 8, that is like I need to stimulate a absolute loader. My description is absolute loader is like it's a simple loader which performs loading process and need not to perform the linking and program relocation process. My algorithm consists like this, like it first read the head record and verify the name and length of the program. It reads the first text record from the input file, process the following steps until the end record is reached. My object code, if the character from the it then convert to hexadecimal representation, move object code to specific location in the memory, read the next text record from the input file one by one, reach the until the it goes till the end record. If it reaches end record, close the files. For this, the program is like this. I included the stdio, conio.h and string.h libraries. In main function, I created an input character variable, and in start length and address I created file pointers fp1 and fp2 for opening the input.txt and output.txt, where input.txt is my like input file, and in output.txt op.txt my output will be read. And in my while comparing the input with the if it's not an end record, go to the insert the while loop, and if it's comparing the input with the header record, if it's a header record, then go to start length and input. If it's a string comparison with the text record, then take the address in the file pointer 1 and write it in the fp2 and then write in the second file. And my else if my fprint, write it in the address input, and in the second file, it is on the output file, show it as address plus 1 input 2 in the input 3 array, and the next one is like address plus 2 input of 4 input of 5, and scan of the again go for the scanning of the fp1, and close fp1 and fp2 files which I have opened earlier, and the printf it's a finished. Now my input file is shown here. This is my input file giving the like object program with header, text record and end record. So when I am running the file, it shows it is finished. To see the output file, we are going back to the file which I have created, that is op. Then now you can see the output of the program, like co py is stored over here, and the main addresses, and each and every object loader, it loads the intermediate code in this. This was my whole program for the loader.